Hello, Hello everyone. I'm from Utubedishgagige. I hope you all are in a good health and well. I'm cooking chicken curry today. I've got 2 chickens here. I've got 2 medium onions here, 4 tomatoes, 1-inch ginger, 2 cloves of garlic and 4 green chillies. I'm going to chop the tomatoes, ginger, garlic and green chillies and make a paste. I've got 2 serving spoons of oil here, and I chopped my onions and the heat is on. I'm going to slightly brown my onions, not too much, for my chicken. My onions are brown, that's how I like, and I'm putting my green chilies, garlic and ginger inside. I crushed it. It has its own aroma, beautiful. And I've got the medium fire. I add my tomatoes inside now. With the chilies and salt, it's up to you how much you like. You don't have to go according to my taste. You can put more or less, the way you please. This is very easy to make. I got 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmic powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, that's coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, that's cumin powder. That all goes in. Mix it well. I want to cook until all the onions and all the tomatoes vanish and the oil comes through. I'm going to put a little bit of water inside there and I'm going to cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes, but I have to check in between. Now my gravy is done, as you can see. It's all nice, all mashed up, and you can see the oil is all separated. And I'm going to add my chicken in now. The chicken is going to be covered now for some time until it releases all its water. I've mixed it well now, and I'm going to cover it again for about 15 minutes and then check. Now my chicken is done. Like you can see, the oil's been separated and the chicken is cooked. Now I need to add some water for my gravy. Add my water for my gravy. Hello? Yeah. Now my chicken is done. Like you can see, the oil has been separated and it looks fabulous. Now I'm going to add the water for my gravy as much as I want. Because I'm going to have it with the rice, so I don't need dry chicken. I need some gravy in it. Now on a slow fire, I'm going to cover it again for a while. My chicken is done now. I'm going to put dry methi, fenugreek leaves. I'm going to muscle it on my hands. That's for the aroma and a beautiful taste. Just a little bit, about half a teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala goes in there. Wow, the smell makes me hungry. It's really nice. Now I'm going to add the coriander, the fresh coriander inside. Beautiful. Can't wait to eat. You can put the chilies and the salt according to your taste. The rest of the things have to be the same. Thank you for watching.